Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking about how you can fix you're unable to verify update on your iPhone. Just like this, when you're updating your phone, it will ask you you're unable to update and you keep trying and it is not working. What you need to do is just reset your iPhone by clicking the volume button up, volume button down, and keep holding the power button. Just like this, volume button up, volume button down, and keep holding the power button, and you can start your phone like this. Apple logo will come up and your phone will restart it. In 90% cases the issue gets sorted out, but if it's still not sorted out, what you need to check is just go to your browser and you need to open the downdetector.com, and you can see that if Apple servers are down or whatever the update is, and you can cross check through many other apps as well. If the error still persists, what you need to do is go to the settings, and then you need to go to the general, and you need to go to the software update, and where the update is showing the option like this. For example, like this, it is showing you need to cancel it down and you need to re-download that, and then you need to install it, and probably this will fix the issue. And if you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll try to figure out in upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep supporting us. Tada, bye bye.